Are you tired of spending on roofing services that don't deliver satisfaction? Need immediate roof repair but hesitant and don't know who to tap and who to hire? If you're looking for guaranteed quality roofing with a mix of affordability and maximum value, call us. Our team of professionals will make sure that you are satisfied with our services before we leave your property. Our company offers more than just roof repair. Here's our services we offer. We offer premium residential and commercial roofing solutions and services, and take pride in our portfolio of satisfied clients. Let us know how we can help and we'll be happy to help you with your roofing needs. Call us now. Visit our website or follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more tips and updates. Thank you for watching.